everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I'll show you how to easily thicken thin nails. Thin, wiggly nails tend to crack or chip easily, making it difficult to live with them. In such cases, please try the method introduced in this video. Just coat something on them, and your nails will dramatically change to stronger nails. This is a very simple method that only nail artists know, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. The causes of thin nails are different from each person. Some people have thin nails because of gel polish. Some were born with thin nails. And some have thinning with age. Thin nails tend to wiggle easily, so they break or chip easily, which is very inconvenient in daily life. In this video, I will show you how to reinforce thin nails and make them thicker. Before starting to reinforce your nails, start with nail care, lightly file the surface, and remove oil with ethanol. For detailed instructions on how to care for your nails, please check out this video. Now, first, apply base gel as you would normally do with gel polish. Rub the base coat into the scratches you made with sanding. Once you've applied it all over, put it under the nail light to harden it. Now, let's reinforce it and make the nail thicker. First, apply the base coat over the entire nail again. Apply less than the first coat here. Once you finish applying it, prepare something to reinforce it before putting it under the light. Here is acrylic powder. Acrylic powder is a nail product used at nail salons to lengthen nails. This acrylic, which is used when you want to lengthen your nails by several inches, is much stronger than gel, and is so strong that it is even used by dentists for fillings. This acrylic is originally made by combining acrylic powder and acrylic liquid. But you can also use just this powder by coating it on the gel. The PolyGel used to lengthen the nails is actually a mixture of gel and acrylic powder. PolyGel also contains acrylic powder, so it is stronger than the gel. This acrylic powder comes in a variety of colors, but to use it for reinforcement, use clear. Now, after applying the base coat, apply this acrylic powder. There are two main ways to do this. You can either scoop it up with a spoon and sprinkle it lightly from above, or you can just dunk your finger in the powder. After applying the powder to your nail, tap your finger lightly to remove any excess powder. If you touch the surface of your nail at this time, you will gouge out the powder and it will lose its strength. Therefore, after coating the acrylic powder, be careful not to touch the surface of your nail and hold it under the light to harden it. Once it has hardened under the light, brush off the excess powder on the nail with the brush about the hardness of the toothbrush. If you leave it like this, the surface will be rough. So apply another base coat on top of it to make the surface smooth. The powder is rough and it will be difficult to apply the base coat. So here, move the brush slowly to spread the gel between the powder particles. Once you have finished applying it so that the surface of the nail is smooth, harden it with a nail light. If you want to apply color gel after this, apply it on top of this. In this article, I would like to finish with a top coat. If you feel that your nails are still soft before applying the top coat, apply the base coat and sprinkle powder again. Once you have applied it all over, let it harden. This completes the process. At first, my nails were soft and thin. But after reinforcing them with acrylic powder, they no longer bend and have been transformed into firm and hard nails. When you want to remove them, use gel remover just like regular gel polish. How did you like the method of reinforcing thin nails? Coating acrylic powder will give your nails more strength than using only gel, so please try it out. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.